Hello and welcome again to CERATIZIT. My name is Barbara Oortwijn and I'm responsible for the newly created Sales Administration Department of Hard Material Solutions. We are here to make sure that our partnership is easy and efficient, from sales inquiry to after-sales service. In our new company, my department will be your single point of contact for all administrative matters, regardless of where the products are manufactured. Simply tell us what you need. We take care of all the rest. Once we get your order, we check in the background which of our production site has the best capabilities and availabilities for your specific requirements. Our production sites in Luxembourg, Germany and Italy have been built to competence centers and are specialized to manufacture a certain kind of products. This way we can assure that you always get the best possible solution and service. Communication is key, of course, and that's why our sales administration team is organized by region. So in addition to providing sales administrative support, we will make sure that we also meet your needs in terms of language skills. For our US-based customers, we have a local customer sales administration that can be reached at any time without worrying about the time difference. We are looking forward to working with you.